Still struggling with heartburn even after taking meds? What if I told you your doctor may be missing some simple, natural fixes? Welcome to Explore Health 101, where I dig deep into science-backed health tips that actually work. Acid reflux affects over 20% of adults every week, and yet so many of us are left battling symptoms despite prescriptions and lifestyle changes. In today's video, I'm revealing 7 powerful tips your doctor may not mention but that could dramatically reduce your acid reflux naturally. Let's fix the burn, without the guesswork. First up, eat smaller, slower meals. Overeating is one of the biggest silent triggers of reflux. Here's why it matters. A full stomach increases pressure on the lower esophageal sphincter, or LES, forcing acid back up into your esophagus. So, eat smaller portions more frequently, chew slowly and mindfully, and stop at about 80% fullness. It's not just what you eat, but how. Number 2, fix your breathing. You probably weren't told this, but your diaphragm actually helps regulate reflux. Deep belly breathing exercises have been shown in studies to strengthen the LES and reduce reflux episodes. Try this. Inhale slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 2, then exhale for 6 seconds. Do this for 10 minutes daily, especially before meals or bed. Number 3, left side sleeping works wonders. Nighttime reflux is the worst, but you can fight it in your sleep. Science says sleeping on your left side significantly reduces acid exposure to the esophagus. It's all about stomach anatomy. Left side sleeping keeps acid lower than your esophagus. Pro tip, elevate your upper torso with a wedge pillow or raise your bed head. 4th, the 3-hour rule before bed. This one's crucial. Stop eating 3 hours before bed. Late night meals increase acid production just when you're about to lie flat. Swap heavy dinners for lighter ones like soups, steamed veggies, or smoothies. 5th, ditch the mint. Mythbuster alert. You've probably heard peppermint tea helps digestion, right? Wrong, if you have reflux. Peppermint relaxes the LES, making reflux worse. It may soothe your stomach, but it opens the gate for acid to rise. Choose ginger tea or chamomile instead, they're much gentler. 6th, aloe vera juice, the safe kind. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. It has cooling, anti-inflammatory properties for your gut too. Studies suggest that purified, decolorized aloe juice can relieve GERD symptoms without side effects. Just a quarter cup in the morning can work wonders. But avoid the yellow latex form, it's a strong laxative. And finally, check your medications. Here's something most people don't realize. Certain meds, like painkillers, antihistamines, and blood pressure drugs, can weaken the LES or irritate the stomach. Ask your doctor if any of your prescriptions might be contributing. There may be gentler alternatives. Let's recap the 7 overlooked reflux fixes. Smaller, slower meals, deep belly breathing, sleep on your left side, no food 3 hours before bed, skip the peppermint, try aloe vera juice, and review your medications. Simple tweaks, big relief. Which tip surprised you the most? Or have you tried any of these before? Drop a comment, let's learn from each other. And if this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gut-friendly tips.